Senna's Wind palette is full of vibrant metallic colors that create looks of pure electricity. This palette gives you the artistic license you've always dreamed of. I gave Lauren's skin a jolt of moisture with Senna's hydrating mask. Then I prepped the under eye area with our sculpting eye cream and moisturized her complexion with sea algae cream. I primed Lauren's skin with Silky Primer to prepare her skin for slipcover foundation. The metallic colors in our pigment palettes can be used wet. So I'm going to use my Rondo 44 brush, spray bottle on the brush. Wet the color. I'm going to use Jewel all over the whole entire eyelid for intense payoff. Look at how intense that is. For the next step, I'm going to take my Feather 15 brush and we're going to go into Impulse. This is a jolt of color for this look. We're going to go into the crease. We're going to extend it all the way up to the brow. Next, I'm going to take my Rondo smudger and I'm going to use Impulse under the eye, putting it on full strength. Then I'm taking my Feather 15 and smudging out the edge at the outer corners. Now I'm going to take my double shadow brush with a Violite with the small end and we're going to highlight under the brow. I'm going to bring it into the inner corner right against the jewel. What a great nighttime look. I'm also going to use it at the base of the lash. Because this look is so colorful and electric, I don't want to add a lot of lash. So I'm going to be using my Lash Detail Mascara. This has a tiny, tiny brush that coats every lash without any clumping. All right, to further make this really electric, I am going to use Impulse as contour. I'm taking the blush point brush. Now I am definitely toning it down. Very subtle. I want most of the pigment load in the back of the face. Then the next step is to highlight, and I'm going to be using Breathless to highlight. We're going to put this on the cheekbone, right along the edge of the eye makeup, down the center of the nose. Also, I'm going to use it on the décolleté. To finish this dynamic look, I used Pinkadelic Matte Fixation Lipstick and I topped it with Virtual Lip Lacquer. And there you have it, a look of pure electricity.